Ёсць. Добра. Я яшчэ записываю пост у Twitter. Так, мне трэба знайсці нейкі відарыс. Я не ведаю, ці ж чуйна гэта ці не. У мяне самалёты надо мной лётаюць сёння увесь вечар. Могуць трошкі перашкаджаць. Яны літаральна кожныя 5 хвілін прылятаюць. Даволі моцны вецер. Так, добра. Ёсць. І мы пачынаем. Што ў нас сёння? У нас сёння Сенуа. Сенуа Сага Hellblade 2. Па бягучых падзеях я зараз зноў жа гульня яна вельмі шмат размаўляе са мною і з галоўнай гераіняй, таму у мяне не будзе моманту нават проста выказаць сваю думку. Я зараз лепей выкажу ўсё, што ёсць. Каротенькі сінопсіс таго, што ў нас адбываецца. Мы перамаглі, скажем так, жанчыну, нават не ведаю, хутчэй за ўсё, я не ведаю, каго мы дакладна перамаглі. Па лору гульні гэта велікан, але яна была чалавекам калісьці. Мы перамаглі яе, якая кантралявала ўсю даліну і трымала ў страхе літаральна ўсе плямёны, якія былі там. Зараз мы пасля перамогі над ёю мы ідзем да галоўнага лідара рабаўладальнікаў, да бацькі аднаго з 3 персанажаў, якія падарожнічаюць разам. Мы ідзем да яго бацькі і паспрабуем яго ўпэўніць, што няма сэнсу больш браць людзей у палон. Раней яны бралі людзей у палон дзеля таго, каб прынасіць іх у ахвяры, дзеля таго, каб трымаць гэтую веліканшу у спакоі, каб яна іх не забівала. То бок, калі яна пераможана, то няма неабходнасці ў рабаўладальніцтве. Таму паглядзім. Хутчэй за ўсё, ён пашле нас нахер і паспрабуе забіць. Вось такі мой, я так думаю. Давайте хутенька паглядзі, ці ў мяне ўсё добра з адлюстроўваннем. Так, усё добра. Ці чуйна самалёт? Не чуйна, адфільтроўвае, добра. Паехалі. Мы літаральна спыніліся ў моманце, калі мы толькі адправіліся ў гэтае падарожжа, мы рухаемся кудысьці далей на поўнач, я так разумею. Вулчара, вітаю. Мне хутчэй за ўсё патрэбіцца гульню трошкі грамчэй, таму што яна цішэй за папярэднія. Так.
As much this place as the fire in sharp rocks, choking dust.
Trees, warmth. Something called us here. Something called us here. Something special.
See.
This place is different. There is no.
Я прапусціў гэты момант у апісанні. Прыхаваны народ. Гэта як па меркаванню Сенуі, гэта нейкі народ, які быў хаваецца ад людзей, і яна прайшла іх выпрабаванні, каб яны падтрымалі яе ў бойцы з веліканшай. А дзе людзі? Куды яны зніклі?
We give you this moment as reward.
Feel it. You know, Senua. This is what it feels.
Так само гульню грамчэй. Давай-ка. Мне падавалася гульня грамчэй ўжо. Так, мне паказвае, што яна даволі высока. Давай-ка я пагляджу яшчэ налады, навушнікі. Ну так, усё на максімум у самой гульні.
Feels like when you follow your destiny.
You know what to do.
Listen to this place.
Яны шэпчуць, таму можа зараз не вельмі добра чуйна. Я зараз трымаю, гэта адна з самых высокіх налад зараз па гуку за ўвесь час. Яна даволі высока ў мяне. Калі ўсё роўна дрэнна чуйна гаварыць, я яшчэ
This
падвышу.
place where you belong.
The beauty of it.
Пачнецца бойка, стане вядома мог ці не. Ну пабачым. Ну але пакуль яны так вельмі шэпчуць, вельмі ціхенька. Так, я мыш спрабую схаваць.
The air.
Is golden.
Beautiful.
This place is beautiful.
I like it here.
Let's stay here.
I feel safe here.
Але куди ти двоє
Not
зникли?
trapped anymore.
Вітаю, Регана.
Screams, no pain. Free.
А мы зараз у падарожжы да лідара вікінгаў і ў нейкі невялічкі гарадок, які павінен быць тут дзесьці па дарозе. Але вось зараз, канкрэтна ў пэўны момант, Сенуя знайшла нейкі спакой. Прыхаваны народ даў ёй падарунак вось гэты момант спакою. І надвор'е змянілася, яна неяк знайшла ўнутраны спакой. Калі заўважыць, то нават яе галасы яны не вельмі ціхенькія. Трошки шепчуть.
Drink deep. And wonder. Remember. For there may not be others.
Я ўпэўнены, Twitch з'ядае якасць проста кабзда у параўнанні з тым, што я бачу. Ну, ладно, можа не зусім дрэнна, але ёсць нейкая страта проста, ну, выгляду. На жаль, я не магу яшчэ лепей зрабіць якасць, нягледзячы на любы інтэрнэт, у Twitcha ёсць абмежаванне на якасць, якую ты можаш перадаваць.
We can feel it. She knows. This is right.
Life and light and warmth.
Шлях ёсць лева і ўправа. Давайте
You're
зазірнемся.
always meant to come here.
This was always part of the plan. Destined to be here.
У мяне адчуванне, што тут ёсць прыхаванае нейкае месца, якое зноў жа зарокам сваім можна ўбачыць. Але нічога такога. Яшчэ можна ісці далей. О, знайшоў.
The Skald's verse tells how Grettir made many enemies with his proud and overbearing nature. Always quick to anger, his strength and fighting prowess meant that even the most trivial of quarrels met a fatal end. The kinsmen of those he killed or maimed were angry. And because he was an outlaw, no one was allowed to help him.
Калі глядзець на гэты столб, то мы дзесьці вельмі блізка да канца гульні. Мы атрымліваецца, мне падаецца, у нас усяго 2 стрыма было, альбо можа 3. Я зараз магу наблытаць. Тады яна атрымліваецца не нашмат больш, чым першая частка, напрыклад, тое ж самае. Ну, па тыпу я разлічваў, што яна будзе не вельмі доўгая. Але мне нешта падавалася, што там будзе 16 гадзін, нешта такое. Вітаю, Nine Ravens. High Leaks. Ого, одразу 5000. Что там такое? Дайте-ка. Калі Nine Ravens 7500. Ты вырашыў сёння за сёння прабіць гульню поўнасцю да топа? 10 тысяч. Ты іх там... Ты поінты там раздруковываешь, альбо што? 10 тысяч улетае на High Leaks. Што? А я гульню такую нават і не чуў. Дайце-ка. High Leaks. О, зламаўся гук нават. Я ўпэўнены, гэта не чакаў бот столькі. У 15-м годзе выйшла. Вельмі дзіўны візуальны стыль. Вельмі дзіўная штука. А? Я не магу гэта нават нармальна апісаць. Гэта выглядае як адвенчура класічная, але з вельмі дзіўным візуальным стылем. Адвенчура і адначасова як РПГ па тыпу, як Зельда старая. Як... Пачакайце-ка. Не. Яна як па тыпу JRPG. Вау. Я не зусім разумею, што гэта за гульня. Але так, яна па тыпу як класічная, як Final Fantasy, ось Chrono Trigger, але ў вельмі дзіўным візуальным стылі. Так. Я думаю, што спадабаецца. Добра, яна яшчэ і каштуе не той, каб шмат. А чаму такая нізкая цана? 13 злотых. Без скидак. Ніякіх зніжак увогуле. Што з гэтай гульнёй не так? У чым прыкалдэс? Чаму яна... у яе ёсць нават другая частка? Калі яна выйшла? Калі выйшла другая частка? Можа, яна кароткая, капец? Другая частка выйшла ў 20-м годзе. Мы же пра першую гаворым, так? Правильно я разумею? Ага, ну добра. Я сабе адзначу гульню. Дзякуй вялікі. Нечакана. 10 тысяч прыляцела.
It's beautiful.
Yes, it is.
This whole island could be like
Even now.
What's happening? Who are these? An ambush.
Guiding the Björk to our door.
She knows them.
Is this what you've been reduced to?
How does she know them?
Why does she hate them? Let him go!
No.
Who is this woman?
Ástríður,
Marianne.
this is not what you think.
She will kill him. She will slit his throat.
What is it?
I know this is going to be hard to believe, but you have to listen. This woman here, Senua,
Зараз пачакайце-ка. Для трошки, каб вы таксама разумелі праблему сцэны, ну, у тым, што адбываецца, у чым канфлікт. Гэтыя людзі, мы прыйшлі з... Яны іх называюць б'ярнамі. Карацей, ёсць рабаўладальнікі, ёсць групоўка рабаўладальнікаў, ёсць групоўка тых, хто бёг, ёсць групоўка, ну, збягаў ад праблем, па тыпу спрабаваў проста выратаваць сябе. І ёсць групоўка канібалаў. Яны іх называюць драуграмі. Вось, як зомбі. Дык вось, зараз мы прывялі, нас ідзе 3 чалавекі. Адзін з аднаго паселішча якіх вось гэтых уцякачоў. Адзін сын лідара рабаўладальнікаў. Яго зараз схапілі і трымаюць нож каля яго горла. І ёсць жанчына, якая вось была, ну, там трымала, я так разумею, мы збіраліся прайсці скрозь адну вёску. І вось гэтая жанчына, яны шмат змагаліся з рабаўладальнікамі. Яна таксама з гэтых уцекачоў, ну, умысна уцекачоў. Тых, хто не стаў нікога забіваць альбо рабаваць, просто, ну, тых, хто сябе ратаваў у першую чаргу. І вось гэтыя, скажам так, уцекачы, яны заснавалі гэты горад і адбіваліся шмат ад рабаўладальнікаў. Толькі зараз сэнс у рабаўладальніцтве адпадае, таму што мы перамаглі веліканшу. Вось. І ў гэты момант яны збіраюцца, узнікае канфлікт, то бок мы падставілі пад небяспеку гэтага хлопца, сына лідара рабаўладальнікаў, і самім нам трэба, каб ён перажыў, тым больш, што Сенуа зараз ратуе, каб ён выжыў.
She knows how to defeat the giants. All of us, we've seen it.
She has to trust us. Make her trust us.
She will believe you.
Impossible. They can't be killed.
We thought so too, but we saw it. We saw it, Austin. We're on our way to Borgarvirki now to tell the Godi, to make him understand that we can fight back.
He's telling the truth.
I did not ask you, rat. Shut your mouth, or I will slit you throat.
She is
I
special.
know you have no love for the Björk, but you can trust me.
Will she?
This is the turning point, Austinur. We can start over. Start to rebuild what we had.
Does she trust Fargrim?
If this is true,
Yes.
She believes you.
She wants to believe me.
She's trying to understand.
if this is true, you, Senua, tell me now.
Look at her.
Say it is true.
She is exhausted.
You can speak.
She wants to believe you.
Speak to her.
She
Tell
wants
her.
to trust you.
Tell her the truth.
It is true. She will believe us.
She knows.
She can see that we bring hope.
We do.
Okay. Prove it then. There's a giant here.
Another
Угу.
giant.
Їх є ще один
He
великан.
roams the beaches and sinks our boats, cutting us off from the sea.
More death.
And we're close to running out of food.
More darkness.
We can help these people.
You can overcome it.
Kill it,
We need to get to Borgavik.
please.
Let's remember there are other people we must save.
I cannot let more of my people die.
It is her people for the enslaved.
Don't get distracted.
We should kill it. We've taken down one, but there is a whole land of them. We need to practice.
People will die if you help them.
And
People
I
will die if you don't.
There's no way you would.
Please, Senua,
People will die if you stay here.
we are dying.
People will die if you don't. You have to help her.
Now it is time to lead, Senua. Now you have to choose.
You can feel it.
All right.
Hold on to her.
We will help. Our people deserve hope too.
Harald,
She is
take them to the settlement and keep an eye on the Bjark.
We want to help her.
Can trust
Senua,
her.
come with me.
Trust us. Trust
I
her.
will show you the
Astrid.
giant.
Я не быў упэўнены, што веліканаў шмат, я думаў, што ён толькі адзін. Але ж зноў жа мы змагаемся літаральна, дагэтуль гэта веліканша была літаральна адлюстраваннем вулкана. Зараз мы будзем змагацца з веліканам адлюстраваннем проста дрэннага надвор'я. Як яны будуць упэўнены, што мы яго перамаглі? Ну ладно, мы з нейкімі вельмі такімі канцэптамі змагаемся.
Not alone, not quite alone. But in this loneliest place, she has found others, lost in darkness, just like she was. Others who might look to her to lead them into the light. Can her shoulders bear this burden? She so learned to keep her guard up, can she ever let it down?
You are an outlander. Why are you here?
I came as a slave.
Can you trust
Taken
her?
by the Björk?
Yes.
You were taken by the Björk, and yet you come here with Þorgestur.
He wants to stop the giants too.
We want the same thing now. To stop the giants.
She doesn't trust him.
Be careful, Senua. The Björk can't be trusted. They demand food from us, and if we don't give it, they take us as sacrifice. Do you understand?
She knows what it's like to lose people, just like you, just by You can help her.
You can.
А потом будзе Вілет, які будзе адказваць за тое, што заробак не заплацілі і ў отпуск не адправілі вось гэтыя білеты. Увогуле не ўпэўнены. Я разумею, што яно было прасцей у першай частцы, таму што Сенуа была адна, усё што заўгодна магло адбывацца навокал, гэта было яе ўяўленне свету. Гэта людзі, якія з ёй, як яны могуць быць упэўнены, калі трымацца ідэі таго, што мясцовы сусвет гэта літаральна наш сусвет на 100%. І на яго просто накладзена прызма псіхозу, то пытанне, як іншыя гэта бачаць, як яны бачаць забіванне вілетаў. Адкуль яны ўпэўнены, што мы перамаглі?
You hear that? That's him.
That's him.
Can you hear him?
Shalvarisi, the sea giant.
Do you see?
Where is he?
He brings the storms with him.
Cries born in the storm.
Where is he?
We haven't seen the sun in weeks. And with winter upon us, the storms will only get worse.
They are running out of time.
It's too late.
They will die.
All of them.
Come. Bardrevik's just over there.
Follow her.
He is calling to us. He knows we are here.
My brothers used to come here to practice fighting. Sneak out. Follow them.
She's a fighter like you.
Learning by watching.
Like you.
They're dead now. I'm all that's left.
She is alone like you.
Alone in the world. Who do you have?
No one.
You only have
Вітаю,
us.
Руді. Вітаю рейдераў. Давайте распавяду вам, што ў нас адбываецца. Мы гуляем у Сеною. Распавядаецца гісторыя вар'яткі, літаральна у жанчыны з псіхозамі ў сярэднявечным сеттынгу.
Tell her
What happened to them?
Мы зараз збіраемся забіць Вілета, великана
Senua?
мора, які збіраецца знішчыць цэлую вёску.
No one understands.
Вітаю, Кастусь, вітаю, Руді.
to be you.
Don't tell her about your mother.
She will turn from you.
Turn from us.
Turn away.
Калі у вас ёсць магчымасць, я вельмі рэкамендую вам узяць і апрануць навушнікі і слухаць гульню, таму што гук тут па тыпу 60-70% гульні, то як з намі размаўляць нашыя жа галасы ў галаве. Вось.
What about your mother?
My mother was a fighter. She never
A
gave up.
fighter like her.
Not even at the very end.
So strong.
She is not giving up.
My father. My father tried to protect her. But she refused to leave his side. I miss her. I miss
Мы
all of
толькі
them.
літаральна перад з гэтай жанчынай пазнаёміліся. Мы прыйшлі ў вёску і прывялі яе ворага сюды, але яны не ведалі, што веліканаў магчыма забіць. І мы першы, хто гэта можа увогуле. Пытанне ў тым яшчэ, што для іх, я трымаюся меркавання, што яны могуць размаўляць, што яны могуць іх бачыць, але я думаю, што
We don't have
сусвет,
tools to make repairs.
блин, так шмат гаворыць, я перабіваю
They
мяне.
built this.
Can you climb
They made
this?
a place to live.
Так, магу, давай,
It
прыйшлі.
sounds like it's nothing.
Just follow.
She knows this place so well.
She understands it. She loves this place.
Even now,
Even after all of that.
she leads the people here.
Why does she?
Это белые метки типа кинули птушки. Я упомню, что птушки.
She's like you.
It's not a choice.
Your father Was he the leader here?
Yes. He was the best of men.
A leader like your father. No, a leader like you. Not like your father.
He was just, generous and kind. Too kind.
Too kind.
А в чому була проблема?
He trusted the wrong person. And he was betrayed.
A traitor?
Who?
He tried to follow in his footsteps.
She wants to keep her people safe.
She has to.
But it's hard.
She has to carry on for her father. What about you, Senua?
Мені цікаво зараз з цим білетом. Ён з папярэднім нам був доўгі момант пачатку бойкі. Нам показалі білета, потым мы шукалі
Sometimes
прыхаваны
it's
народ.
best not to follow too closely.
Толькі потым мы змагаліся з білетом.
You can
З Волотом.
trust her.
My father was a leader too, but not like yours.
Not like yours, a monster.
You can lift your burden if you tell her.
Яна ўжо збегла наперад. Чакай.
Something is wrong.
Not right.
О, драуга.
It's time for Borlik! I'm to stop it!
Ау, ау.
How do you kill it?
Ай-яй-яй-яй. Спалить зараз. Спаліў. Кабзда. А.
Make them fear you. They are fast, but you
Драуги — гэта племя канібалаў, якое аддалося на волю вілетаў гэтых волатаў.
Which one is worse?
Вітаю, Мері Черрі. Вітаю у суполці. Оу-оу-оу.
They underestimate you.
Ні-ні-ні.
Not just strength, she can read you. What are they made of? Get him away from us! Stab him in the heart. That's the heart. Full of rage, full of rage.
Ух, очень тихо.
Pain serves its pain. They enjoy this. They
Ай.
enjoy killing.
Не-не-не, давай. Какой...
They
Ну все, наша
underestimate you.
концентрация просто у минусе. Есть. Сгорела на праце. Приехал до Волота и сгорела.
How could
Уф.
She sees we are strong.
she knows?
We can fight. You
Добра.
Trust her.
Але драўгрыве это дрэнна. Я думаў, мы іх пакінулі дзесьці ззаду, але хутчэй за ўсё яны літаральна па ўсяму востраву. Паўвостраву? Дзе мы ўвогуле? О, пад'ём ёсць, але навошта ён мне тут? Так, гэта ўвесь бераг. Шмат караблёў разбілася. Мы самі прыбылі сюды на караблі, і ён таксама разбіўся. А є сцвярджэнне, гэта атрымліваецца павінны волад, великан.
Where is she? You're lost again.
Ну, не ўпершыню. О, зноў
Wait, what's happening?
Something's happening.
Look around you, be alert.
This is
нагадываю, Сінуа бачыць сусвет трошки па-іншаму. У яе ёсць шмат псіхічных захворванняў. І яна ўспрымае некаторыя праблемы, ну, па тыпу, яна не можа праходзіць час ад часу, яна не можа рабіць тое, што звычайнаму чалавеку не праблема. Яна бачыць розныя паттерны ў рэчах, у якіх паттернаў звычайна не пабачыць. У нашым выпадку яна не можа прайсці праз тыя камяні, пакуль яна не зразумее, не зробіць нейкі рытуал, які я зараз паспрабую. У нашым выпадку гэта як пазл паказваецца.
The world has changed.
It's different now.
The rain has stopped. Find a way to see.
Can you see?
Даволі вялікая тэрыторыя, у нас такіх вялікіх пазлаў яшчэ пакуль не было. Ну, напрыклад, пераключу я там, а далей што? Я па кавалках могу сабраць? Ну так, хутчэй за ўсё. Не? Ну, там нават і не падобна. Мне трэба дачакацца, калі ён разгарнецца патрэбным вуглом, альбо што я не так бачу. Давайте паспрабуем зноў змяніць сусвет.
Their signs.
She's close, she can feel it.
You can see like they can see.
Але я не бачу. Павінен бачыць, а што я павінен бачыць-то? Можа, я павінен з той вежы ўсё ж такі пабачыць штосьці? А, вось он. Паттерн. Окей. Тады я нешта не зразумеў, што я павінен пабачыць гэта ў жоўтым. Літаральна мог. Я спрабую знайсці паттерны, нейкія малюнкі у асяроддзі і скласці іх, бо без гэтага яна не можа прайсці далей. Для яе гэта магія, насамрэч гэта проста адзін з прыкмет захворванняў. Вітаю, Мітайгоры. Вітаночка.
She doesn't know its real name.
She needs to know more.
Зараз тады я ведаю, што шукаць.
You can only kill it if you find out.
Так, я
She
апошняя.
is finding a way through.
Finding a path.
Find another way to see.
There's got to be another way. Keep looking.
It hovers in the air, waiting for you to find it.
Могу дзесьці ўверх тут падняцца? Ага, зразумеў. Змяняем сусвет зноў.
She did it.
You did it. You found the path.
The meaning is near.
We see everything. The hatred in their hearts. Shalvanesi was born of this place. We saw it. Seek us again, and we will show you.
Нам знову треба шукати прихований народ.
Look for us by the sea.
They are showing us the truth.
Добре, зрозумів.
Draugar don't usually come this close to the settlement.
The Draugr
I have to warn them. Your followers too.
are here as well.
They're not my followers. I just showed them how things could be different.
But they follow you.
She was
I see
weak.
it.
She left us.
Maybe one day I
Don't
can
trust
also
her.
see how things can be different.
You need to find the hidden folk.
Find them.
Попередній раз проход до прихованого народу гэта было даволі доўгі спуск у пячоры
You're not coming?
глыбока пад зямлю.
There's something I need to find.
Bardavik is just along the shore. I would say be careful of
She
Draugar,
needs
but
to understand.
I see you can
Find
handle
a way.
yourself.
She can't handle herself.
You are a warrior,
She
Senua.
left as soon as it was hard.
Why did the Draugr come here?
What were they looking for?
Are they following us?
Yes, they must be following us, following you.
What if she brought them here?
Вельмі добрая калдуновая тэорыя, мне падаецца, вельмі падыходзіць пад гульню. Я
She
просто
dealt with them.
з-за дыялогаў сам унутры Сенуі мне даволі складно, мне літаральна моманты толькі ёсць, калі я магу нешта сказаць, бо інакш мне проста яны перабіваюць. Тэорыя такая. Гэта не зямля і не іншы свет. На самай справе наша Сенуя бегае па вялікаму калдуну. І духі калдуна размаўляюць з ёй. Это мае сэнс. Это вельмі смачная тэорыя, я скажу, такая. Так. Зноў, хутчэй за ўсё, яны ў папярэдні раз, яны хаваліся... О, там пячора. У папярэдні раз прыхаваны народ быў пад возерам. Хаваўся ў адлюстраванні возера. І глыбока-глыбока пад зямлёю.
The world is shifting.
It's changing again ahead.
Зноў.
You know how to do it.
Focus.
We are the only ones that know the truth. Earn our favor again, and we will show.
Так. Дзе б мне вас так пабачыць?
This is the price. If you want them to help you again.
You have to find your way to them.
Yes. What are you looking for?
Зноў трэба шукаць нейкія малюнкі. Можа, гэта ўжо будзе нейкі іл на зямлі. Не іл, а водораслі. Я магу змяняць свет адсюль. Магу. Можа, тады давайте яшчэ праверу пару месц. Не вертаться полностью назад. Тут есть что поглядеть. Не могу подняться. Так, и тут я не могу подняться, потому что не хапаю приступки. Я могу отсюда изменять? Так, могу отсюда изменять. Добро.
You need to find the right way to look at it.
The right way to see.
She did.
Mist.
Есть и тут. Ось оно.
Yes, she found it.
You found it.
As Troll. You need us to fight
It's done.
Лесо ў краіне цудаў. Так, вельмі падобна. Мяне ўсё хвалюе вось гэты момант наконт таго, што рэальна, што не. Я ім задаюся, гэта адначасова бессэнсоўнае пытанне. Адначасова яно цікава, калі распрацоўшчыкі ўсё ж такі задаваліся ім, што бачаць іншыя людзі ў гэтай гісторыі. Калі яны задаваліся, то нейкае... Можа, яны проста прыдумваюць, ведаеце, па тыпу, яны і так вераць у гэтых веліканаў. Чаму б ім не расцягваць гэтую ідэю яшчэ далей? Кавалкі. Духі кажуць, з'еш яго, вельмі галодныя духі калдуноў. Дзе? Дзесьці тут. А вось, я бачу.
Yes. Second sign.
Застаўся апошні.
She needs to know his name.
You have to find out.
She needs to understand.
If you want to kill him, you need to know.
They can help her understand. Get up. Follow the light.
There it is.
What does it mean?
Find the symbol.
Я не магу прайсці, таму што там перашкаджае вось гэты парус разарваны. І у мяне няма ніякага ракурсу. Мне патрэбна змяніць там, каб прайсці далей. Можа зрубіць нейкую гэту. Я магу нешта зрабіць тут? Не? Ну то каб шмат варыянтаў. Бо праблема ў тым,
She is closer than she was before.
што калі я падымаюся сюды і перахаджу за гэты камень, які тут
How the
існуе,
giant came to be. How did he come to be? They will show you if you follow.
What is his story?
прыхаваны народ, не, тлумачыцца як hidden, па тыпу схаваны.
The truth. She needs to know the truth.
You have to find out.
What is the truth?
Giant.
Maybe he needs.
Гэта хутчэй, з іх міфалогіі як дворфы па тыпу.
You're the only
Такое.
one that can help Senua.
Maybe she should just
Таму
help
што яны
herself.
мелі магчымасць там знікаць.
Find the sign.
Чаму я не магу? Тут ёсць вось, зразумеў, тут магчыма змяніць. Добра, можам прайсці далей. Гэта ўсё караблі рабаўладальнікаў, на іх адзнакі іх. Можа не ўсе, але гэта так дакладна. Я неяк з хаты павінен пабачыць гэта, так?
It's close.
There.
Угу.
Make it happen.
Ёсць.
Are you sure you want to know? You may drown with him.
The door will open now.
You will be able to see.
What will she be able to see?
She just needs to find the way.
What are they going to show us? She has to trust.
They are showing you the way.
Are they?
Or is it a trick?
The path will open now. Will it? Will it? Will it?
Keep following.
Вяртаемся зараз зноў да гэтага ўваходу ў пячору. Яна гаворыць пра тое, каб знайсці імя. Бо ў папярэдні раз таксама мы даведаліся гісторыю і імя папярэдняй веліканшы.
letting her in.
She has found it.
What is this place?
Where are you?
What does it mean?
Where are we?
This power she feels draws her on, the certainty. She wants to hold it, even if it blinds her. She's come to them again with another promise, a question. But there will always be that price to pay. The truth can drown you deep. They bear the heart of you hidden for years. It hurts.
Down there, see the water.
Where?
Знову вода. Попередній раз ми так само пройшли скрозь воду і побачили
She has to go
минуле.
down again.
And what will be there waiting?
Be alert, Senua. Be careful. Always be careful.
Will he be there? There, look. They're here.
Focus.
Look, Senua.
Every monster was once a man. We will show you. Look. When the darkness came, the man stood shoulder to shoulder with his friends. They helped each other through the starvation and the fear, and there was a tiny spark of hope that never died.
Мгм. Смотри.
But then the giants came, and the Droigar. And worst of all, the Bjerg. Men who were stronger and more ruthless, took all they had and wanted more.
Драугры? Не, драугры гэта канібалы мясцовыя. Амаль другое месца. Другары, магчыма.
The man loved his friends, but he feared the men more. So when the men came to him and offered a bloody bargain, he agreed. He would, by trickery, make over his leader to them. And in return, they would not trouble him.
Я зразумеў. Адзін чалавек з гэтай вёскі аддаў лідара, то бок, ну, тату дзяўчыны, якая з намі ішла дагэтуль, здаў іх б'яргам, і ў выніку мы атрымалі велікана. Велікан гэта, хутчэй за ўсё, гэты хлопец і ёсць.
And so it was done, and his leader was taken. died at their hands. The man was ashamed. He had thought himself safe. But they found out his secret, and all stood against him.
Але як Великан зв'язаний з гэтым? Ён усё яшчэ не ператвараецца, гэта чалавек у Великана. Хоць і павінны ў забойстве лідара.
They cast him out.
Можа, тут пачынае
He
цягнуць гісторыя.
wandered the lonely cliffs until the sea took him. The sea took him and turned his blood to brine and spat him back on shore, a giant. Now he wanders that same shore and hunts the ones he once called kin.
So now she knows.
Now you know.
He's not a stranger.
You have to tell her.
He haunts them.
You have to find her. Tell her.
Maybe she knows the name.
Але нам тады ў вёску вяртацца?
Look what he does.
He comes to the
He
settlement.
will never leave them. She has to stop him.
Find out the name, Senua.
Then you can destroy him. Release him.
У вёсцы хоць хто-небудзь застаўся яшчэ?
Look at him. She sees what he does. The constant storm.
The constant fear.
No sunshine.
Nothing.
No light.
But the torches are still there.
Людзі, чыніце. Хоць хто-небудзь. У мяне пытаннічкі ё.
Everybody too scared. Hiding.
This whole place like a wound that cannot heal. It bleeds.
They survive. In spite of everything.
She is strong.
Austrithra holds them together.
She deserves more than this. They deserve more than this.
How has she kept them together?
We must find her.
She will help us.
He infects this place.
They deserve more, these people, Senua.
They don't deserve to suffer like this.
You can help them.
You can. You know what to do now.
Only you can do it.
Find Astrid.
She can do it.
You can. They need you.
Я то не супер, дзе Астрид?
Come.
You have to ask her.
There's more.
What
need
were
to
you
find
searching for?
The truth. The truth.
You need to find out, Paul.
Senua.
Ask her.
Steady.
Take your time. Tell her.
Your father.
There. That's it.
You told me that someone betrayed him. Who? Who was it?
She has to tell us.
She will.
Why?
I need to know his name.
What does it matter?
The truth. It is how we will save our
I
people.
need to understand him. Please,
You need to know. You must know.
tell me what happened.
We cannot kill the giant if we do not know. She's going to tell us. She trusts us. Look. No, she doesn't. She's ready. There. The question hurts her. She will do it.
When it all went to hell, people started coming to us for help. We were just barely scraping by, but
She doesn't like to remember.
we opened our doors to them,
She's trying to help.
even as the food was dwindling. And the Björk grew more demanding.
It's hard for her to say.
Little by little, this settlement became my tribe.
Just like yours. Remember. You had a home once.
And then a man came. And we took him in. We made him one of us.
That man.
We trusted him.
What was his name?
And he betrayed me. He betrayed my father.
It's him. There is more to this than she is saying.
So I cast him out. I haven't seen him since. His name was Saigir.
The truth. There it is. Now we know the truth. Now you know. You can use it. You can trust her. Tell her.
I'm sorry. Saigir. He is your giant.
Truth. What will she do? Will she believe us?
I saw it.
She has to.
How?
You have to trust me. It was the same with Ingun. I saw her. I learned her name.
Something's coming.
They've never attacked the settlement because of you.
I'm with you.
You brought them here. Now fight. Take them on. She cannot do this alone. You have to help them, Senua. This isn't a choice. The trigger has to stop this. Orchestra was fighting for them. Get up. You have to fight for them. What are you doing lying down? Get up and fight. Defend those innocent people. They are past that. They are going to do it. They are predictable. Their body is strong. Rocks you have to hit hard.
Nie, one kubki mocno od razu i blokuje szyb.
She knows what they're going to do. She knows. Serve him, babe. Don't think, just
Ow.
fight.
Пошло викингское техно. Кожний раз мене чіпляє.
Enjoy this. Enjoy killing. Don't you ever leave. Gather in the heart. Let me out of the heart. They underestimate you.
Сколько вас? Капец. Вы не помните, с чего цепелась-ка? И он еще и живый после этого. Ау. Ау.
Underestimate you. Strong like rocks, you have to hit harder. bring it to everyone you meet.
Blood.
Death follows you. It's too late for her.
In front of your eyes.
More death.
Watch it.
More innocence dying in your arms.
Look into her eyes.
How could you?
See what you have done.
You think you can run from your past?
You can't.
Your past always follows you.
It's there. Right behind you.
Right behind you.
Can you
Oh.
feel it?
Always coming.
All the death,
Yes.
all the suffering,
Right there.
you have brought this on them.
He's right.
You,
Это в образе ее
with
тантры.
your darkness,
All because of you.
your curse.
You tell yourself you are trying to help.
You have damned them all.
How will you keep going now?
How will you live with yourself?
With this heaviness.
Yes, feel it.
Let it wear you down.
Feel it, Senua.
I can feel them.
You deserve to feel it.
I can feel them on my skin.
They will never leave you.
Each death inked in blood.
Yes, you can see it, can't you?
Blood.
On your hands.
Haunting you forever.
I will leave.
Yes, leave. They don't need you here.
Coward.
I will take it away.
Oh, Senua.
I will protect them.
It's too late.
You can't protect anyone.
Your father was always right. Your rot, your darkness,
Die with them.
taking over everyone.
Alone. Unloved. Unwanted.
Senua! Are you hurt?
You don't deserve her help.
Don't show her. Don't let her in.
She sees us. She sees what you are thinking.
She needs you to be strong. Can you?
No,
Can you be?
no.
We need a plan.
She doesn't have a plan.
Why does she believe in you? You are nothing.
You don't know what you're doing.
No, Senua.
Death after death after death.
Think, think, think.
Death after death after death.
Are you sure? You still want my help?
You can't help her.
You are more than what your father thinks.
You are nothing.
Take her hand.
Trust her. We can do this together.
That depends on the plan.
Go. Go with her.
She is too kind to you.
She's brought them here, the hungry ones. She made them fight, the ones who died. But there's only one way to atone. Go forward. Go on. Steel yourself for what's to come.
I know his name. I can draw him into the sun.
The sun never shines where Shelvarisn walks. He brings the clouds with him.
Зараз припиню, просто проговорю, бо літаральна гульня не пакідае і моманту, каб пагаварыць. Што ў нас атрымліваецца? Зараз мы будзем змагацца з гэтым веліканам, які, атрымліваецца, быў адзін з гэтай вёскі. І ён ну, нападаў на гэтую вёску. Тыя людзі, якіх мы забівалі зараз, ну, як людзі, для іх і гэта зомбі. Гэта андэды, яны літаральна не жывыя. Але сапраўды гэта канібалы. Это племя вікінгаў канібалаў дзесьці на гэтым паўвостраве альбо у гэтай частцы, у гэтай мясцовасці, скажем так. І яны пакланяюцца гэтым веліканам, яны пакланяюцца вось гэтым істотам, якія, магчыма, існуюць толькі ва ўражанні проста ў думках іншых людзей. Магчыма, іх няма. Але мы ўсё ж такі знаходзімся ў даволі такім глыбокім сярэднявеччы, таму шмат чаго з гэтага яны проста вераць у гэта, і яны гэта не правяралі. І вось яно якраз такі змагаецца з гэтымі міфамі.
Way to part the clouds. We must perform a ritual to honor the sun and draw a soul from wherever she's fled and beg her help.
Vagrima.
Yeah?
Find the site for the ritual. We will go to the cave and wake the giant with fire. Then lure him there.
He may look slow, but he moves fast. Our people will slow him down.
Then I will speak his name and hold him fast. And bring him into the light.
Yeah.
Дае вегетарыянцы, то бок яны толькі адзенне з людзей ядуць. Гэта як?
Varric, this one. Joey. Partner.
Come this way. Passið ykkur. Death is coming. You know what you have to do.
Can you smell their fear?
He's here. Death is coming.
Look at the bones.
Death is coming.
Look at the bones. That's going to be you. That's going to be everyone.
What makes you think we stay down?
I know you.
He needs you.
I need to get to the eye of the storm. Find him.
Цікаво, што бачыць астатнія. Увогуле, на гэтым моманце ў мяне ламаецца усялякае ўяўленне таго, што могуць бачыць астатнія. Калі я яшчэ прытрымліваю ўсе ідэі таго, што ў гэтым сусвеце ён, такой рэалістычны, і мы ўсё назіраем праз прызму Сенуі, то зараз, я не ведаю. Магчыма, ўсё ж такі яна бачыць, яна дадумвае у падзеях настолькі шмат, што яны, для яе аб'яснення не патрэбна, то бок яно супадаюць усё з рэальнасцю, яе рэальнасцю. Але складана сказаць, чаму людзі рэагуюць на яе так, як яны рэагуюць, чаму і не паводзіць сябе больш дзіўна, па тыпу, у сэнсе там нічога няма, па тыпу такога. Альбо яны якія змагаюцца, альбо быццам бы з камянём змагаюцца, я не ведаю. Дочекаться момента. Як мне поспеть? Вось камень.
Saegir, I can help you.
Не поспел. Я не думаю, что великая Вики будет по Сеною. Тут не только шмат писать. Довольно линейная история и только несколько сборничков информации.
Come back, Saegir.
Every monster was once a man.
He was lost. And you found him. You brought him here. Home. Now he can rest.
Rest now, Saegir.
Poor Senua. It's too much. Too much for her. All the grief. All the death. The others. Their pain. It's too much. She can't do it. Not alone. But she isn't alone. Is she?
Another haunted spirit given peace. Another victim of the ravaged land now rests. A promise kept. But the lives lost in calming the storm, they cut deep.
It weakens you. Each death.
Does it hurt you?
She doesn't.
Can you keep going?
She is so hurt, so
Yes.
broken. She needs to see.
The biggest fight is ahead.
Always.
The giant of Borgavarki is strong.
We are
But
strong
I believe in you.
together.
I want the bloodshed to end. Are you ready?
He will stop the sacrifices.
And she will
Yes.
fulfill her promise.
She is ready. We are ready.
Each life lost hangs over her. She feels them on her skin. Their voices calling, and the ones who live, their voices too. Their pain and guilt infect her. But she can't let them lead. She has to see the path herself, clean and clear, and find the strength to follow it, even as dead hands pull her back. She has to find the light within and hang it in the sky to guide the others.
Так, прылёты тут цудоўныя. Я спрабую неяк зрабіць,
it
уявіць
like?
сабе.
Borgaviki.
Добра, размова
It
будзе.
is cheerless in winter. But the people are fed and housed and safe.
Safe.
She knows why they're safe.
Safe because of the blood.
What were you
they
going to
spill.
do when you reached it? Before you knew about the giants? Kill my father?
I came here to
This
stop
is
him
why I
taking
came
my
here.
people as slaves. I think I could have killed him
She might
to
have.
make it all stop. But I didn't know everything then.
What good would it do?
I wonder now. Would killing him have changed it? The darkness runs deeper. The Björk fear the giants, and you'll do anything
The
to be
worst
safe from them.
things. They would keep murdering us.
If I had killed your father, would someone else have taken his place and kept the blood
Yes.
They
flowing?
all believe in love.
We couldn't see any way to
We
be
need you to
different.
show him. Show all of them. Show them how to fight the giants.
But now,
It's different. It's different. No, she can't trust him. Don't trust him. Don't.
Я не ўпэўнены, што яго бацька просто так такі, ну блин, з іншага боку, куды мы не прыйдзем, у нас атрымліваецца забіваць великана, і мы ўплываем на людзей там. Зноў жа, нам па-за кадрам паказалі, па тыпу мы у катсцэне перад тым, як пакінуць папярэднюю вёску, мы бачылі толькі, ну, вось ты... не, жанчына ідзе з намі. Просто мне падаецца, яны вераць у тое, што робіць Сінуэ, таму што ёй, ну, версія, якая можа накладацца на рэальнасць, так? Сінуе шанцуе, просто шанцуе вельмі моцна, таму што пад яе момант, калі яна нешта робіць, знікла тарнада, я так разумею, якое, ну, там тайфун, які там быў, калі яна літаральна пабегла ў яго, знікла, ну, менш знізілася актыўнасць вулканічная у даліне, зараз можа тут яшчэ пашанцуе. Вось, і кожны раз няма магчымасці праверыць, ці яе дзеянні нешта зрабілі, прынеслі яны рэальны результат. Просто яна настолькі ўпэўнена ў сваіх дзеяннях, і людзі навокал вераць у гэта, у ўсё звышсусветнае, што яны могуць успрымаць гэта як знак, што так, яна перамагла. Вось, яна ўпэўнена ў гэтым, толькі вось праблема не вырашана ў выніку. Просто яны сыходзяць адтуль і не бачаць рэальнасці. Магчыма. Альбо мы рэальна проста размаўляем пра сусвет, у якім рэальна гэтыя істоты існуюць, і тады ўжо ўсе мае тэорыі не маюць ніякага сэнсу.
Wait, is this Jarnvidir?
what?
They're scared.
We shouldn't go through here.
No.
Why not? What is this place?
Why?
Those who enter here don't always come back.
What does he mean?
I could go around it. Or we would need to backtrack. I And it would add a day or two to the journey.
More than a day or two if we're dead.
This is the path we need to take.
She's not listening to
I'll
us.
lead you through.
All
She's
right,
so sure.
How can you be so sure?
let's go.
He is with you. The others will not follow.
And after you.
Lead the way.
She doesn't know what she's leading them into.
You don't know what you're doing.
Я реально не ведаю, що вона робить. Ну тут не буди. Откуда я...
What do you know about this place?
This place is nothing special.
There's something malevolent in here.
Something evil.
Something you
What is it?
can't fight.
Something he can't find.
Spirits of the hidden folk nobody knows.
The hidden folk will help us.
Those
If it
that
is
make it out,
It could be something
they
worse.
come back. Changed.
Changed. Changed how? What does that mean?
Changed how?
Fearful. Scattered. Like they left something behind.
They left their souls behind.
Don't lose your soul, Senua.
Літаральна гэта яшчэ наш сябар вядзе кожны раз у нейкія месцы, якія зусім небяспечныя. Мы маглі бы проста абысці ўсё. І не трапляць у такое. Напрыклад, папярэдняя вёска была не зусім абавязковая, але нам ён матываваў гэта тым, што прыйдзецца далёка абыходзіць. Ну што, кожны раз... Кожны раз гартаем управа.
It's darker. Trees rising everywhere.
Do you know what you're doing?
She never knows.
You don't know. You don't know what's in here.
I can feel their fear. You've been here before.
A night forest.
A haunted place.
You know what to do.
There is no way through.
We have to go back.
Wait.
You can find a path where they cannot.
Look for it.
Look.
I can feel something watching.
What is it?
I don't like the sound of this.
You can't feel it. Why?
I feel it too. Every weapon to hand.
Here.
Weapons will not help you here.
Your sword is no good.
Keep steady. Try not to jump at shadows.
What do you know of shadows?
We know.
Угу. Трошки світла пробивається бацумба.
You found a way through.
Yes. Will they follow?
Там около есть? Ось, есть, добре.
Do you hear that?
What?
Something is following
What does she
us.
hear?
Just alongside. Listen.
I think I can hear it.
I don't like it.
This place is not quiet.
Not calm.
Noises everywhere.
Everywhere.
I hear it again.
She is terrified.
Shh. Listen.
А питається, ми зараз вертаємося до того місця, де ми були.
Wait. There. Above us. What is that?
Do you see it, Senua?
I think it's a river you hear.
Let's keep going.
Astrida is scared.
Why isn't Senua?
Ну, ми докладно зараз вертаємося, де були. Ну, то ж саме місце.
We passed this way before.
This place is shifting.
We're going in circles.
Changing.
It's so confusing.
What to do?
How? This way's blocked. We'll have to find another.
Докладно? Блин, реально, мы тут не можем пройти.
Argrima?
А остальные? Окей.
Where are you?
They trusted you.
You brought them here, and now you let them get taken?
How could you?
It's your fault.
Alciter?
She didn't want to come here with you.
You made her.
Now you have to find her.
I can't find you.
She's gone. Gone forever.
She's dead because of you.
Dead.
Did they turn back or he's
Augusta,
gone too?
They're all gone.
where are you?
You brought them here.
Ну все, заблукали.
You brought them here. Now they are lost,
You brought them here to die. Don't listen to him. They followed you.
doomed to die alone in darkness,
Stay strong.
or crawl out, cowering, witless shadows.
Here's the shadow.
You bring death with you, Senua.
He will follow you.
You brought them here to die.
Але ж гэта тое ж самае месца, мы раптоўна побачылі тут праход.
They followed you.
Добрый вечер, Берлинер.
They trusted you.
They shouldn't have.
You led them to their death.
Мы зараз дзесьці ў апошняй частцы гульні, дзесьці вельмі блізка да канца. Мы ідзем, перамаглі яшчэ аднаго велікана. І зараз ідзем уже да лідара рабаўладальнікаў, толькі мы заблукалі па дарозе.
Dead.
Alstetter,
Who's that?
A figure.
Someone there.
Не, тут же не пройду, так? Придется ракоп выходить. О, человек. Это Шастра.
Astrida is alive.
She's safe.
You have to help her.
You called to her.
Alstetter,
Can't see you.
Why can't she see you?
Senua, is that you?
She's terrified.
So lost.
I thought I'd lost you.
Lost in the
I'm
dark.
here. Where are the others?
I don't know. I turned around and you were all gone.
She's
What is
terrified.
happening? There are voices at the edge of hearing and movement all around.
You understand this.
Figures in the shadows.
You know what that's like.
You know it.
I think I see them in the trees, but when I look again, there's nothing there.
You can help her.
Her fear. It makes her see what isn't there.
None of this will hurt you. Don't let it rule your mind.
That's it.
I can fight things I can see.
Yes.
Things that bleed when struck with a spear. I'm lost here.
She's changed.
I know how you feel.
We know.
Believe me.
We understand.
But we have to keep going.
Understand.
Stay strong, Astrida.
I will get you through this.
She can help her. You
Yes.
can help her.
Yes.
You can get her out of here.
Follow her.
People say this place burrows into your mind and finds your fears, then torments you with them. I only half believed.
She knows what it's like.
You know what that's like. This place is preying on them.
Their darkest fears.
The path takes me back into the woods. I don't want to be alone here.
Help her.
Follow the river upstream. I'll find my way across to you, I promise.
You have to.
Can you make promises, Senua?
Promises you can't keep.
Can you keep your promise?
What if you never see her again?
What if you never see her again?
Lost forever.
Ну, не только б складана жыць, так, правильно? Але мне падаецца, прасцей было бы... Ось яшчэ фігура нейкая. Мне падаецца, калі б мы просто паспрабавалі перабрацца на яе частку, нам было бы прасцей. Там не такая вялікая дыстанцыя.
Who's there?
A figure. Fargrim.
Is it?
Who is it?
So dark now.
Misty.
Misty.
Fog everywhere. It's him.
Fargrim.
Fargrimmer.
Senor? Senor, is that you?
Lost. He is different.
Hasn't changed.
There's a fog around me,
Yes.
before my eyes,
He
You know
can't
what
see.
that's like.
inside my head.
He has lost himself.
Lost himself to the darkness.
He can't stay here.
I
Slipping away.
tried to have faith,
You need more than faith.
to keep them from falling apart. But there's something dark in this place.
Darkness.
He sees her.
Through it, rotten and tainted.
His own darkness.
Help him.
Help him.
You are Fargrimmer. Wondrous mask.
Yes, tell
Who
him.
can find his way anywhere. Can see the light in anything.
He saw the light in you.
He saw it.
And it grows dark now. And I cannot see the way.
Help him.
He helped you.
I'm lost here.
You were lost and he helped you.
Follow the sound of the river. I will find you.
He is fading.
You have to get him out of here.
He is not strong enough.
He doesn't have long.
He always knows what to do.
And now he's lost.
Lost forever.
Doubting
Blinded.
in this place.
She did this to him.
This place did this to him.
Цікаво, ці може бути гэта як удаление з метаном, по типу просто, ну, надыхаліся ад нейкай атруты.
Run away.
Where is Thorgest?
You want to keep them safe.
Don't listen to him.
See how they mill around. Lost lambs, so afraid, blind,
You could still save them.
alone. You'd do anything to keep them safe, wouldn't you?
This is your darkness speaking.
But you can't save everyone, Senua.
Maybe she can.
Sometimes there are choices to be made.
Which one are you going to save?
Перед нами літарально стоїть вибір, кого рятувати. Фаргрима альбо Астрид. Глядячи на те, що не виглядає як небезпека. Ну. Давайте Фаргрима. Не ведаю. Альбо Астрид. Пум-пум-пум. Ну, давайте Фаргрима.
Senor?
I'm here.
Him?
І Астрид там літерально нема.
We have to find the others. Come with me.
Why?
Yes. Yes.
Идем. Не стой. Фаргрим. Алло. Доброй раницы. Идем.
We'll find them. Focus.
He's not much of a fighter. But what about Astrida?
Without you, she will be facing her demons on her own.
Demons she cannot fight.
Who's there? Don't come any closer.
Astrid,
There.
it's me.
So lost. Help her.
Senua? Senua, I thought I'd lost you. I looked for so long. I thought you'd left me behind.
I wouldn't do that. Come on, let's go. Stay close.
Добре.
Where's Thorgester?
I thought I saw him. He was following me, sword drawn.
That wasn't him.
Thorgester, where is he?
Thorgester.
О, ось він.
He's changed.
Different now.
His eyes are red.
Has he been crying?
Something has happened here. What's happened?
What happened to you?
Something terrible.
I think I saw
What did he see?
Something changed him.
something I had to do.
What was it?
What did he have to do?
I didn't want to do it. He forced my hand.
Who?
Something terrible.
Who?
A vision.
No. It's nothing. Just tricks.
Is it real? Oh,
Nothing is ever nothing.
Let's leave this place.
get out now.
His past haunts him.
Get them out of here.
Yes, get them out of here.
Такі у його, подається, добрі відносини з його татом.
Up here.
Усі на місце. Усі троє.
She lost them. Drowned them in their fears. Let the forest lay them bare and scour their minds. She knows that deep excoriation. The fear you will not see the end of. And yet, they made it through. She found them. They are safe. Safe to keep on walking, fight her corner. share the weight. But who is changed and who is not? Do they look at her in doubt? They follow still. No blame, no striking out in hate. But their minds are shuttered tight and closed off to her eyes. What did Thorgester see, so dark he cannot speak? And Astrida, her primal pain. Feel like that will shake you. The wanderer, always so sure, has a certainty been lost. There's no time now to question or look back. Choice is made.
Нешта ёсць думка, што так, літаральна ў гэтай даліне нейкі газ збіраецца, як і... Можа, тут увогуле на ўсё адзін той жа адказ. Можа, ну, літаральна за вулканічнай актыўнасці шмат дзе газы з-пад зямлі збіраюцца, бо вось мы вулкан і зараз бачым на дыстанцыі далёка.
We're not far now. We can see it from here.
There. Borgarvirki.
All the signs she followed have led her here, finally so close to the heart of darkness. The root of the fetid flower whose stench she tracked across the sea. A fortress she must break, not with sword and spear, but open eyes and strength of will.
О,
Bodies. Are they still? Yes. They're still alive. You can feel it. How could they? Suffering. Look. They are for the giant sacrifices. Monsters. Monsters. How can they?
What is that?
Make it stop, Senua.
That is
You have to.
where we sacrifice the offerings.
Monster.
People. Thorgester.
Yes. People.
It's where you sacrifice people.
People.
It's where you tie them up and watch them die.
Slowly release
We
them.
have to rescue them.
We'll go inside. I'll tell my father, and he will cut them down.
Light is fading
Can't
fast.
just leave them.
They're suffering.
You can't. You can't.
Austrider. Fagrima. Can you please cut them down?
So much
Who's
suffering.
going in?
Bjark know you. And Austrider. And they don't like you. I don't want to start anything before I've spoken to my father.
You don't know yet, Senua.
Okay. Just me and Thorgester then.
Tell him. They will help them.
Rescue the people and keep them safe.
We will.
Yes.
We'll come back.
But wait until we are inside.
Are you really going to just walk in? They will kill her for sure. She has to. Thorgester will tell them. You trust him? Look what his father does. Look what her father did. They are not their fathers. She is different. We are different. He is different too.
Нагадваю, для тых, хто не толькі далучыўся альбо не ведае, што адбываецца. Мы зараз каля самай крэпасці. Каля самай крэпасці рабаўладальнікаў. У першай частцы і ўвогуле самая трагедыя галоўная, адна з галоўных трагедый у жыцці Сенуі, гэта смерць яе каханага Дыліана. І яго, як і ўсю вёску, зарэзалі рабаўладальнікі, канкрэтна гэтае племя. Яны забіралі людзей у палон і прывозілі сюды, каб аддаваць свайму велікану як ахвяру. І вось галоўны квест у Сенуі ў гэтай частцы было знішчыць гэтых рабаўладальнікаў, але потым яна зразумела, што яны ўсе баяцца веліканаў. і перамога над веліканамі можа ў гэтым дапамагчы. Што мы і собираемся прапанаваць лідару гэтых рабаўладальнікаў. Але хутчэй за ўсё яны пашлюць нас нахер і паспрабуюць забіць. Мне такое меркаванне.
Crossed an ocean, left one world and found another. All the blood, all the fire, everything she's seen carried on a hidden tide. This is the end, the point where light vanishes. And yet it is a pale and quiet place. Hush. Can this be the place she fought so hard to find?
Something is wrong with him. Something's not right.
Ці паказвалі веліканаў, больш за тое, так, мы завалілі 2 веліканаў. Ва ўсёй красе.
You're worried.
I wasn't supposed to come back empty-handed.
He'd have dragged you here in chains, Senua.
But all's well. He'll forget about that when he hears what we have to tell him.
But has he changed? I don't trust anything he's saying. He wants to change, does he?
They've spotted us. Will they want to chain me up again?
I won't let that happen.
Really? Maybe the Biag will tell on him.
Who are you?
And then what will you do?
It's me! Thorgestur!
Who is he with? Them or you?
Trust me. However it might seem,
There's no turning back now.
I'm with you.
It's what he wants to believe, but is it the truth? Gates are opening, Senua.
Thorgestur!
Is he strong enough?
Gods,
Are you strong enough?
I thought you were dead.
Me? Dead? I would see you dead first, Halfdan.
He plays their game. He talks their talk.
It is good to see you, my friend.
She's with me.
The others.
You are safe with him. He is welcomed here.
We're returning from ill.
Stay close.
3 days of clear skies.
Maybe you trust him. But do you trust the others?
Approaching Alanyuki.
Devastation everywhere. Who knows if they will listen to him?
Spy.
All she has lost,
Swear.
and all she has to lose.
Storm I have ever seen.
They hear. All the names she carries on her heart, she remembers. This is the last sign.
His father's influence is strong.
Your father's influence was strong.
But he is not his father. You are not your father.
You know what it's like to have a father like his. You can show him the way. There is nothing you can do.
Even if he wants to have changed, is it possible?
You can help him.
But can he help himself?
You have to stay with the plan now. There's nothing you can do.
There is no turning back now.
But are you really ready to meet this kind of evil? This kind of monster?
Your purpose. Are you ready, Senua?
No.
She has to be.
She does not look like a slave.
They have not returned. The others are lost.
The last sign.
He wants to join us.
Circled round in red, a bloody barrier against the night, a wall to shield you from the savagery. But the true darkness is inside, not out. It always is.
You know what's coming. His father.
The one who clouds her mind is here, just as she knew he would be. Some things don't change. There's always one who will seize the reins, see a field of pain and reap it. Ripe blood and bitter tears. Her father, his father.
Look at him.
Sitting there on his throne.
Worshipping himself.
Thorgestur, my boy! You've returned.
The goatee. It makes my skin crawl.
This isn't going to work.
When we did not hear from you, I fear the worst.
He does not care for his son.
How was your raid? Where are the slaves you brought?
Dead, all the lost
We
ones
had a
dead.
storm coming into land. I'm sorry.
Don't apologize.
But father, we found something more important.
Let's see if this man can listen.
I doubt it.
Something important, you say? A souvenir from your travels.
Calls us a
Father,
souvenir.
listen.
Souvenir.
The giants. They can be killed.
I can kill them. We can kill them.
This woman Senua, she knows how.
He won't believe you.
Give him a chance.
Look in his eyes. Show him who you are.
A souvenir that kills giants.
He doubts.
Why?
The giants cannot be killed. No more than gods can. I've seen it with my own eyes. Seen 2 giants turned to stone.
He doesn't believe.
I can kill them. And I could kill you. We could kill you.
This is nonsense, Thorgester. And dangerously close to Gothgau.
You should kill him.
You cannot defy the giants. I alone know how to keep them at bay. Do not turn your back on me.
You must. He must.
He has caused
You
so
are
much
a
pain.
simpleton.
He needs the giants to give him power. He uses the giants to control people. Make Thorgester understand.
He needs to understand.
There will be no swaying him. I have known men like him.
Listen to her.
Theirs must be the only voice. This is his chance to change.
I will convince him.
No, he is weak.
He wants to fight. He just needs to believe it is possible.
He loves his father.
Thorgester.
She is a liar,
Should never have trusted him.
and you an idiot.
Senua.
This is some trick to overthrow us and destroy all we have been.
Stay calm.
No. You will watch beside me tonight as the giant takes his tribute.
You get out.
See how indomitable, how terrifying it is.
There will be no tribute.
See how there is no chance in hell you could defeat it.
We have defeated them.
And see how I turn it aside. How I control it through my
death, he is
sacrifice.
She has nothing now.
How it leaves us in peace.
Peace for who?
He will kill her, destroy her.
See how I have saved my people.
Never have come here.
There are no people waiting down there. What will happen
It's
when he
nearly
finds out?
time. Follow me!
Thorgester, stop him.
Stop.
Why doesn't he do something?
He is weak. You should never have
He
trusted
said he
him.
was with us.
The sacrifices are gone! Free! There's no one there.
Now!
The giant. It's come.
Take her down to the gate.
З батьком пошанцовувала тільки Астри. Так. Складаємо тут з батьками все. План у нас быў паспрабаваць, ну, нас упэўніў Торгестер, што ён упэўніць свайго бацьку, што ахвяры больш веліканам не патрэбны, бо іх можна забіць. Ну, результаты гэтага мы бачым.
Light fades, Senua.
Make you strong.
You will die here,
Rage them.
and nothing will have changed.
Throw yourself. Don't fight. Do it for them.
Get
Find the moment. Make him pay. Better than you. How will you ever win us? You are the better warrior. Show them what you're made of. They are too slow for you.
coming.
I know. The slaves.
You're safe.
What happened?
The Godi wouldn't
I
listen.
told you he wouldn't.
He knows we freed the sacrifices.
Like your father.
He wants to offer me instead.
The Thorgestur?
He was weak.
I don't know.
He didn't try to stop them.
I knew we couldn't trust him.
Yes, she is
Where's
right.
the Godi? We kill him. Now.
Let's
Wait!
end this. End this.
Senua, we need to kill the giant right here, right now, in front of the Björk. Show them the truth, just like you showed Thorgestur.
They'll never learn. All they understand is death. We need to end this so we can be free.
She is right. Again.
Kill the Godi.
What are you going to do, Senua? What?
Senua?
She doesn't know.
Fagram. I don't know.
She can't. She doesn't know his name.
Thorgesta,
Come on.
He needs you.
maybe it's a trick.
A trap.
To lure you in.
And then kill us.
Kill us.
Don't be stupid.
Вар'ят зукамі ў башке лепшы баец за людзей, які ўсё жыццё сякеры махаюць. Яна махае таксама ўсё жыццё.
What are you going to do?
А увогуле наконт яе баявых навыкаў я лічу, што з-за таго, што яна вар'ятка, з-за таго, што яе нервовая сістэма проста заўсёды ў стрэсе, я думаю, яна падрыхтавана для бойкі значна больш, чым любы з іх, таму што у астатніх ёсць перапынкі ў адпачынку. У яе нервовай сістэмы няма такога. Яна заўсёды ў стрэсе, заўсёды гатовая біцца. Таму, я думаю, рэакцыя ў яе значна вышэй. І гэта каментуецца, што яна хутчэй, яна адчувае сябе хутчэй, чым яны. Значна хутчэй. Наконт баёўкі так.
I don't know its name. I don't
Вельмі прыемна выглядае ў параўнанні з першай. Першая таксама неблагая, але простенькая была даволі. Тут шмат анімацый вельмі. Так, мы не можам перамагаць велікана, пакуль мы не ведаем яго імя. Таму сэнсу бойкі з веліканам няма, трэба ісці да Годі. А вось велікана чуе.
Thorgesta,
You can see what he could become.
others don't.
She sees the warrior fighting inside. You have to stop this, Senua.
Keep your promise.
The giant. It is a trap. Get ready. Remember what you fight for, Senua. Don't show weakness. They've captured Astradan and Fargrimr.
We will save them.
We will protect it. Prepare yourself. What are you doing?
Ау.
You're smarter than him. She knows what they're going to do.
Ей, я ж вернувся. Як він зробив?
Fight clever.
Take him.
Let her taste your blade.
Blocking everything.
You're so much faster than him.
You need to hit him.
Hit him. Pathetic. You are fast. You can win. You need to survive. Fear nothing. They are too slow. Hit him.
Stop this.
So strong. They enjoy this.
Clever. You are smarter than him.
Мне неяк атрымліваліся ідэальныя парыванні. Зараз нешта ўсё менш і менш іх.
Now you will be food for the giants, and your blood will give us another day of peace and safety. You hear that, woman? Hear him coming? The most glorious of them all. The tyrant. The king. We have an understanding here now. An unspoken connection. I give him blood, and he gives me power.
Feel the rage send by your fear. Fight to it for him. Get free of him and kill. Do hate him. Everything he is.
No!
Augusta.
You question me? You have lived through this with me, seen all I have seen, and you question me? I am the only one who knows what to do in this new world. The only one. Do you hear me? This ends now. You fall into life like the others, or you will die.
You are the one we chose. You who have died from this, lived through this. Do you see yet?
When the darkness came to this land, when the fire spilled from the mountain and the ash blotted out the sun, it wasn't the end. People starved and suffered. Homes were destroyed and leaders fell.
Смок, я не думаю, ну, я згодны з Рыганай, я не думаю, што распрацоўшчыкі спрабавалі стварыць рэальнасць. Яны спрабавалі распавесці гісторыю, а проста памясцілі, скажем так, гісторыю пра псіхічнае захворванне ў гэты сеттынг. І я думаю, што на гэтым бы першая гульня і скончылася, я не думаю, што яны разлічвалі на працяг так-то ўвогуле. Але грошы Microsoft, ну, ўсё ж такі упэўнілі іх у тым, што трэба рабіць далей працяг. А да гістарычнасці тут не ідзе гаворкі. Яны больш рабілі, калі паглядзець працэс, блин, я просто, выбачце, будзе, інакш мы страцім просто момант. Калі паглядзець дзённікі распрацоўшчыкаў наконт першай часткі, яны сканцэнтраваліся на 95%, яны вывучалі псіхічныя захворванні, а не гісторыю. Яны не працавалі, яны не спрабуюць нават перадаць гэта. У другой частцы, магчыма, штосьці змянілася, але ну, у першай дакладная асноўная думка была якраз такі пра псіхічнае захворванне. Я думаю, другая, хутчэй, як па інерцыі з першай часткай, таго ж толькі больш.
And each one fought for their own. in this sea of chaos, one rock stood firm. He said, I know what to do. Follow me, and I will save you. He meant it. Wanted to keep them safe. His people. Then he saw that fear made the people turn to him. They trusted him, obeyed him, raised him above the others. Their fear made him strong. And as the land healed and the people healed, their fear ebbed, and he saw them start to turn away, to think for themselves, to choose their own path. And he felt his own strength ebb and turn. And he wanted to hold on to that strength, to hold his place in their hearts, their wills. So he made the giants, brought them forth from the shaking earth, the roaring sea, the blinding snow, brought them into being. And the people who trusted him and obeyed him, they saw them too, and saw they had more to fear. He knew he held the key. Make them fear. And you can make them do anything. Make them hate. Make them punish the weak. Make them turn against one another, each on each.
Your tribute! My boy, why did you have to turn your back on me?
Hold him, Senua. He chose you, Senua.
Hold him.
So brave.
I am going to kill him.
will kill him.
There's always someone ready to take his place. You told me that yourself. Might have been me if I had never met you. You have to show them a different way. You have to redeem them.
How do I stop this?
You came to stop the sacrifices. Kill the giant.
His father.
The tyrant.
My father's name
One name.
is only fear.
You will end this. End this, Senua.
Перші великани, які не такі огроменні. Ау.
They are right to fear a world such as this. I keep them safe from it.
Наконт таго, ці планавалі распрацоўшчыкі зрабіць так жа першую частку, ну, яна выглядае значна лепей, чым першая, таму я не здзіўлены, што яны жадалі хаця б часткова, каб яна выглядала падобна. Таксама ў першай часткі яна скончваецца. Першай часткі скончваецца тым, што яны жадаюць працягу. Сенуа гаворыць это ў камеру літаральна нам, таму, хто слухае. Вось. І ўжо як постфактум, як для таго, што зараз набліжаецца канец гульні, я скажу, што гэта гульня больш не пра Сенуа. У большай частцы сваёй. А пра людзей навокал яе. Потому что Сенуа внутри сябе знайшла, як бороться со сваёй цемрай.
will shine a light on your lies, and they will see the truth. There are no giants, it's just you. A Mayfair.
Something is changing.
It's changing. Can you feel it?
All he has created.
All of those alive.
All the shadows.
Darkness.
Breaking into pieces. You can see it. You can hear it. His people are turning against him.
They are all tired against him now.
Confused. Lost. Scared. They look to you.
Гэта быў яе бацька, просто зараз яна ў ім бачыць свайго бацьку. Літаральна для яе гэта адна і тая ж фігура, таму ён і гаворыць у два галасы. Адначасова голасам тырана, голас, ну, гэтага велікана, сваім голасам і голасам яе бацькі. Вось нават галасы гэта гавораць.
Nothing like him.
Nothing like your father. You are strong.
Look at him. Just an old man.
Old, weak man.
All his strength comes from his people.
He has nothing now.
He is weak.
Now that they have left him, he is all alone.
Like all tyrants, hollow and empty.
There is nothing.
Nothing inside.
Nothing at all.
Show them he is just a man.
Just a man.
Show them he is weak. You know what to do. Do it.
Do it.
Do you really want the truth? Each person who follows you, you bear their weight on your back. Soon you will do anything to protect them, no matter what pain you inflict on others. And then you will find their belief makes you strong. And you will want to hold on to that strength no matter what. You will become me. You are your father's daughter. Do you see how they cling to you, pleading? Do you see how their hands drag you down? You are everything. What would you do to keep them from harm? What would you do for the truth?
She has to save her. She has to save her.
I choose how to end this.
She couldn't.
Couldn't.
She chose a different path.
She's not like him. We are not a monster. You chose a different path.
All the questions answered. Truth burning bright to scour away the darkness. Shadows of horror and hate writ large on the sky. Phantoms made from fear. Darkness outside makes darkness inside. She sees it. But the darkness is inside her too. Because she loves, even after everything. She loves. And if she loves, what will she do to save that love, to keep that promise? All the lost ones, when they find her, What will she do to protect them? All those names, all those lives. What will she do to hold them? Wisdom has a price. She is her mother's child. But she is also her father's.
I see it now. The darkness is inside me. But not the way I thought.
Yes, feel it.
Yes, you can see it, can't you?
It is his darkness. Not hers.
Your darkness.
And it carves a path for me.
In your blood, in your bones.
But I can't see where it leads.
Haunting you forever.
Part of me wants to let go of the fear. Let go of my shadows. And be free. No more pain. No more doubt. Honored. Loved. Feared. Always true. Always right. Because they tell me so. Keeping them safe. Keeping their belief alive. No matter the cost. Is this my fate?
Senua.
Can I choose my way?
What will we become?
We are not our fathers. There is always a choice. You taught me that.
We will choose.
Together.
You decide.
All her life she has been alone. She chose it. A shield to keep her heart from harm. A hymn to still the other voices, the ones outside. Not anymore. The ones she saved, the names she found, they lift her up. Their hands reach out to hers. And now, she reaches back to them. Her story is not written. There is always a choice.
У мяне засталіся яшчэ пытанні. Ну, моцная канцоўка, моцная, згодна. У мяне ёсць пытанне да... Ну, па тыпу... Вось гэтага моманта, та сваю тэорыю я ўсё якую ніяк не магу пакінуць, што яна бачыць і што бачыць іншае, але мне падаецца ўсё ж такі тэма гульні пра іншае. Гульня гэта не разбірае, не канцэнтруецца на гэтым і, магчыма, ну, асноўная думка ўсё ж такі пра людзей, ну, па тыпу пра людзей навокал яе, пра тое, якімі яны з'яўляюцца і, ну, хутчэй філасофская. Калі першая частка гэта пра змаганне ўнутры, то другая частка больш пра змаганне паміж людзьмі і іх цемрамі, па тыпу ўжо па-за межамі псіхічных расстройстваў. Вось, якія, ну, ўжо прывязка нават к этому, да гэтага адсутнічае. Прыемна было бачыць, што Сенуя змагла знайсці нейкі баланс у сябе, то бок у другой частцы яна, не гледзячы на тое, што яна змагаецца з сабою, але гэта не галоўная тэма гульні, зусім не. Вось, што яна, ну, яна знайшла баланс унутры сябе. Вось. Збольшага. Вось, і мне спадабалася спасылачка ў самым канцы гульні, вось гэты момант, калі яна пачынае гаварыць як лідар, як свой бацька, як тыран. то спасылаецца вось гэты момант, яе з'яўляюцца малюнкі на яе твары. Гэта літаральна спасылае на сам першы трэйлер альбо другі трэйлер гэтай гульні, то бок другой часткі. Вось там быў такі момант, які ніяк не атрымлівалася прыкласці да вобраза Сенуі першай часткі. Ось гэта цікава, таму што гэта якраз такі увасабленне яе, скажем так, тыранічнасці. Ось. Цікава. Я спадзяюся, за ўсе трэкі ў гэтай гульні я не ўключаў рэжым стрымера. Першыя две часткі нармальна прайшлі на YouTube, нармальна прайшлі на Twitch, але ёсць верагоднасць, што гэта можа з гэтым не пашанцуе, спадзяюся, ўсё добра. Давайте на сёння будзе гэта ўсё. Заўтра працягнем яшчэ. Заўтра у нас серада. У сераду мы пагуляем у персону, калі у мяне будзе час пасля працы. Але спадзяюся, нічога ў раскладзе не зменіцца, і мы будзем працягваць як звычайна. А зараз я пагляджу, хто ў нас чым займаецца, і перадам вас далей. На Твічы я нікога не бачу. Давайте зазірну на YouTube. Ага. Воу, пачакайце-ка. Вы скончылі асноўную гісторыю. Спутнікі Сенуі зараз разблакаваны як гэта самае. Як па тыпу з іх кропкі гледжання можна паглядзець гульню? Ну-ка, пачакайце-ка. Гэта дадатковыя Нет, пачакайце-ка. Ну лады. Новая гісторыя. Новая гісторыя прагрэс гісторыі з контрольная точка при... Я не зусім зразумеў. Раздзелы я магу паглядзець за іх кропкі гледжання. Ну, напрыклад, давайте. Элатойга. Я не зразумеў, як гэта штука працуе. У нас, то бок, мы можам паглядзець збоку. Пачакайце-ка. Трэба разабрацца. Калі я абіраю... ну гэта мяне адправіць адразу у кавалак гэтай гісторыі. Так, добра, вяртаемся ў галоўнае меню. Я не зразумеў. Абраць іншае, так, я толькі не бачу іншае. Алады. Ну, на ладах нічога такога няма. Гісторыя, я баюся, што каб яна мне не выдаліла нічога. Раздзелы, тут нічога такога наладаў ніякіх няма. Давайте паспрабуем. Новая гісторыя. Вось. Заблакаваная, вось. Іншая. Давайте паглядзім, пачакайце. Пачакайце-ка.
I have to tell you a story.
Вау.
I don't come out.
Пачакайце, мы еще не скончим пока.
But I want you to know the truth, so you can see it all. See a different side. Because it's not just Senua who hears things. Sees what isn't there.
Для тых, хто не ведае, гэта літаральна самы пачатак гэтай часткі. З гэтага ж і пачалося. Але іншая кропка гледжання на ўсё.
And we, unthinking and unquestioning, obeyed. We knew the reason, knew there was no other way. His way was the only way. So we obeyed. We had plans for them. They'd never be our slaves. They were grist for the mill to save our home, to protect us. But plans can drift off course. It begins as it ends, alone in the dark. Nearly drowned. Pulled into Round's net. But I struggled free and made for the shore. We'd found it. My father would be angry, but maybe there would be a way to take back what we had lost.
То бок атрымліваецца, гэта будзе праходжанне, ну, у асноўным, я так разумею, без прамоткі, то бок усё будзе на месцы. Але мне зараз пакажуць, што думалі ў розныя моманты розныя персанажы. Магчыма, такім чынам мы пабачым іншы бок гледжання. Ну, па тыпу на падзеі. Таму што, я так разумею... О.
They were all that stood between us and the giants. I never wanted it. It went against what I had been taught. Courage, honor above all. But he said it was the only way. And I obeyed.
Магчыма, проста тады будзе трошкі зразумела, як яны ўспрымаюць бойку з, ну, веліканам. Альбо як, ну, па тыпу, як з іх бакоў гэта выглядае. У мяне толькі невялічкая думка, што, можа, яны ўсе маюць захворванні. І таму яны проста, ну, да, дабудоўваюць гэтую рэальнасць, якую рэальна, ну, якой няма. Тады гэта будзе ўсё маць сэнс.
Come on. Don't listen to me. Don't
Калі што, гэта геймплей. Ну, я, як і бой, магу спыніцца ў пэўны момант і нічога не рабіць.
She's too exhausted. Too exhausted. It's too much.
Блін, гэта тады адкрывае, гэта нягледзячы на тое, што геймплейна зараз гэта будзе адно і тое ж, і мне бы хацелася толькі даведацца пра тыя моманты, якія па тыпу другая версія. Ну, па-тыпу, мне не цікава, ну, я ведаю зараз, што будзе. Тут нічога не зменіцца. Глобальна.
Everywhere they won't let us begin.
Half drowned, I washed up on the shore. I could hear their voices. My friends, our captives, all calling. Some in despair, some hope. I'm not sure now which was which. We stole them. I'll carry that with me always.
She is afraid, exhausted, scared.
Я думаў, у яго толькі пару рэплік будзе і па тыпу надоўга-доўга, але не, гэта паўнавартасна дадатковая хучка. Я думаю, великаны будуць выглядаць прыкладна аднолькава. Ну, хутчэй за ўсё не будуць ніяк. Я не думаю, што геймплей моцна зменіцца. Я думаю, што геймплей застанецца тым же самым.
Why did we come here? She's stupid. Ready. You're too weak. Ready.
You should not have come here, child. Your hopes were always doomed to fail. All this way. Just to die among strangers.
You! Why did you come back?
Did you think you had left me behind? I am always here.
I won't listen to you!
I hear his voice, not in my ears like her, but in my mind. Strong, my father, driving me on. The only thing I know, my mission.
Дзе не чакаў ні геймплюс, дык гэта тут така. Я таксама. Я можа бы і не здзівіўся, калі б тут было нейкі варыянт праходжання з каментарыямі распрацоўшчыкаў, але гэта ж зусім іншая рэч. Тут жа літаральна другі іншы, ну, ён прагаворвае, ну, па-тыпу, як іншыя персанажы гэта ўсё бачаць. Паглядзім, у нас, я не тое, каб разлічваў, што мы будзем сядзець яшчэ, ну, давайце падойдзем до моманта, дзе яна змагаецца з Тургастрам у першы раз, то бок з голасам, якім яна зараз размаўляе, ну, які нам дадатково дадаўся. Дабяремся да яго, бойкі з ім, скончым яе, і на гэтым будзе ўсё. Вось на гэтым мы стрым і падскончым на сёння. Бо я думаю, я будзем яшчэ працягваць. Паспрабуем паглядзець. Я толькі буду прапускаць. Ну, я дагэтуль больш хадзіў, глядаў там мясцовы, зараз я сканцэнтруюся на рэпліках канкрэтна новых персанажаў, тое, што дадалося ў гульне.
Needs you. The slaves are monsters.
Look what they do to us.
They are brutal.
No more.
Get across the other
I will
side.
stop this.
Careful,
Careful.
So easy to slip, Sarah. Look down.
Don't listen to me.
What's you back?
We hate you. You don't listen to
У
him.
нас жа мяча нема.
there.
The symbol.
What does it mean?
The slavers. This is the right way. The signs are leading me. They brought me here.
Our sign. emblazoned across all the land. A symbol of our dominance. We
Это у нас
are
уже
the
есть.
only ones to thrive.
That shape. An enslaver. Follow him, but be careful. They will kill you this time.
Like they did to her.
On the cliff.
You were too weak to help.
Follow him.
Be ready to fight.
She is a warrior.
A warrior with no sword.
No weapon.
She came here with nothing.
What good are you to anyone with no weapon? He will kill you. He will. Stop. Don't let him see. Be careful.
Так, мы гуляем за сено. Гэта літаральна той же самы геймплей з пачатку гульні, а Трагестра каментуе свой бок гледжання на падзеі. Паглядзім, як калі яны сустрэнуцца, як гэта будзе выглядаць.
Just watch this happen. Do something. Stand by and watch. Why didn't you stop it?
Too weak.
Let her die.
He is right.
They were survivors. I need to help the other slaves.
You let her die.
Remember why we came here. She came here for a reason. But now she doesn't know what to do. You don't know where to go.
Your plan is in pieces.
She is lost.
You're lost.
The enslaver, the master, is gone.
I have to help
You
them.
thought you could stop this, but you have lost your mark. The sea tore him away.
Трагестра толькі не ўсё каментуе, то бок, напрыклад, гэта размова, як яна і была з самага пачатку, толькі тады калі яго голас уключаецца.
You know better. Find the survivors.
Частку размоў мы не чуем, ну яны выразаны спецыяльна, каб было месца для Трагестра, таму што
The lost one.
прыпынкаў не было, яны бясконца і так, ну, яна разважала ўнутры, то бок тут яны падзамянілі, штосьці прыбралі, штосьці дадалі.
You have to find a way out of here.
Мне цікава, ці гэта праходжанне на ўсіх персанажаў дадатковых, ну, па тыпу не толькі Таргестра. Было б занадта столькі рэплік на аднаго персанажа, а потым мець яшчэ 3 праходжання дадатковых толькі для гэтага.
Can't you hear them, Senua? Can't you hear their scream?
I can hear them.
What's happening?
You know that's in focus.
They are suffering, but I set them free.
Symbol. We need to find it.
It's here.
Somewhere. Look for the sign. Find the right perspective.
You'll see. It's there.
Don't
Focus.
know
Found
how deep this darkness goes.
Yes, you've done it.
You completed the symbol.
What now?
We must go back to the game.
She must go back. Behind the symbol is the source.
The source of their time.
You need to understand it. Uncover the
Зустріча з Таргестром літарально тут
This is why you have come.
за вуглом.
I need to find the source of all this. I promised.
The dead are here.
Can you hear them, Senua?
They follow us, Senua.
Choking, gasping, struggling.
You couldn't save them, but you can save the survivors. Don't listen to the dead, just move onwards. Find the survivors.
Stop.
Do you see the bodies, Senua? The sea throws them up to show you how you've lost. Look at them, Senua. The faces of the ones you failed.
Look, wait, look. Some of them, they survived.
Oh no.
They tried to
It's them.
They were wounded. They were
Find someone to hide.
alive. You can find them. Follow them. Help them.
Did you come here to die with them? Is that what you want?
Watch out! Don't let them capture you again. Are you going to let them kill you? You can't. Listen, don't die now! Yes, use your weapon! You do not deserve to die here, Senua.
Because of you. Ready to fight the slavers.
They're monsters.
Why have you killed us?
You might get another one.
Don't just watch this happen.
Call him! Let him go! Don't defeat him.
He destroyed your Dillion. We must attack him now.
She has to survive.
You must.
You have to survive for us. You made a promise. You've lost another one.
Could you?
All of one defeat you. Everything which does. You are cursed. It is you who breathe your darkness here. You're rot.
Why did you bring the curse here?
Yes, just like that. That's it. Just like that.
Проверяющие боевую систему значно простее змагаться з ними.
Someone needs you. Listen, they're calling. Quicker. The boat. The boat. The boat. There are many souls in there. Quick.
Help me, Johnny! Please help!
Stupid girl.
She was wrong.
You thought they were real. Did you really? You don't know. She never knows.
Pathetic. Idiots. Stupid, stupid.
She thought she could be a hero, but everyone is dead.
No one left to save.
You left it too late.
Трахастер павінен быць дзесьці за гэтым караблём, мне падаецца яшчэ трошкі прабегчыся па ўзбярэжжу і там ён будзе.
You can't save us, but you did.
Did you not then believe me?
Follow you.
To join me.
Like they killed your lover, they can't serve anymore or die. Do you know the rest? You hold your breath until you come. Then you gasp and the water rushes in. The pain in your chest. It's death with you, Senua.
dreaming. Hingað!
Ось той корабель. Про його ми будемо з Торгастом змагатися. А ось і він. Ні?
You,
Єсть.
slave. Come here.
He's still alive.
The enslaver.
Remember, you made him alive.
Don't kill him.
What are you going to do with that sword, girl?
He looks ready for you. He is ready to fight.
You're ready. We will end this.
You're fucking dead. Worthless. You fought well for a woman. I'll give you that. But it's over now. Get up and fight me!
I'm going to stop you!
Get up! You're worth more to me alive.
Come on, then!
Useless! My blood poison.
He could kill you if he wanted to.
Don't make me kill you! Get up and fight me!
Stop thinking and feel it!
жорсткі пад канец.
I want you. Stop!
Don't be a coward. You have to find your ready. You're doing something. You ready to fight? Grab it! Die or die. People, he took their lives. Monster. He again. Yes. What are you waiting for? Wait. Do it now. You can't. You can't kill him. Stop.
If you're going to kill me, just do it.
It takes over everyone. But you need him.
You need him to show.
He knows everything.
He knows this island.
No.
He knows. He can show you the path.
You're gonna take me where I need to go.
Yes,
Yes. He will take you. He will show you.
he has to.
He'll help you.
You have spared him, and now he will take you where you need to go.
You can do this.
Where you come from. Where you take the slaves.
I can't walk. How do you expect me to take you anywhere?
His pain doesn't matter. Make him walk.
We'll walk.
She has to save them.
You have to. There is no other way.
It's why we have come here.
I'm not leaving until I get what I came for.
You made a promise.
She made a promise.
You promised.
I made a promise.
She'd beaten me. Me. In combat. I had to admire her. Even then. So she followed her path. The things we couldn't see. I didn't see it in myself. But I was the next sign.
You could see it. Do you remember it?
She knows that suffering,
That feeling.
poisoning her mind with fear,
That rot.
covers him now.
Covers him.
Do you see it, Senua?
She
Do
sees.
you see the darkness?
She feels it.
The faces of fear and suffering. You can see it.
The sign. What does it mean?
That sign. What is it?
You need to understand. You need to understand.
Answer.
It is my father's sigil.
His father,
Your father.
Я опять отправляюсь на
Go.
Тиммингам.
monster.
He's here.
Look at him.
No,
The shadow.
but this place is his. The people here are weak. They would not survive without his help.
You have
Like
to
you.
Does she?
Enough.
He's wounded. He won't try anything.
You have to keep your eyes on him.
На гэтым, я думаю, ёсць, ну, калі ацэньваць ўсё па першаму эпізоду да моманту сустрэчы з Таргестам, то магчыма будзе дастаткова іх, а магчыма і не. Магчыма будзе, ну, такі нармальныя кавалкі, дзе будзе паўтарацца ўсё проста як было. Што шкада, я бы жадаў пабачыць у асноўным розніцу, таму што ну паўтараць тое ж самае, што рабіў, літаральна праходзіць гульню другі раз, ну такое сабе. Але мы будзем праходзіць не сёння, але мы паўтарым, прайдземся хуценька па сюжэту. Я буду ў асноўным рухацца наперад пры першай жа магчымасці, тым больш што мы ведаем галаваломнікі ўсе, ну вось гэта ўсё. Шмат чаго не паскорыцца, на жаль, ад гэтага, але цікавы ўсе моманты, якія будуць, ну можа, зменены неяк, не ведаю. Цікава будзе, калі катсцэны некаторыя зменяцца ў залежнасці ад кантэксту, але мне падаецца, не будзе хутчэй за ўсё той же самы геймплей, тыя ж самыя катсцэны, проста меркаванне іншага персонажа. Вось, таму што яшчэ ёсць два персонажа, якія могуць таксама дадаць нешта ў гэтую гісторыю. Ой, з іх пункту гледжання было бы цікава паназіраць. А я зараз гляджу, хто ў нас чым займаецца, і бачу, Рудзі працягвае зноў кіберпанк, і Nine Ravens малюе. Давайте я сёння адпраўлю вас да Nine Ravens, учора адпраўляў да Рудзі. Калі вам цікава, хадзіце да Рудзі, у вас ён, я ўпэўнены, ён у вас ёсць у падпісках, а я перадам вас Nine Ravens сёння. Пабачымся заўтра. Заўтра будзе працяг персоны 3. У нас даволі глыбокаму ў сюжэце, і ў мяне была думка зрабіць нейкі вельмі вялікі стрым, але гэта дакладна будзе не заўтра, не ў будні дзень. Паспрабуем прасунуцца як мага далей. У нас пакрыху ўсё ідзе да самай канцоўкі. Жадаю вам добрага вечара, і з вамі Nine Ravens.